Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Crafting the perfect pancake begins with just a few pantry staples, ensuring a delightful breakfast. Gather your all-purpose flour, baking powder, a touch of sugar and salt, fresh eggs, milk, and a little melted butter. Having these ingredients precisely measured and ready before you begin mixing really streamlines the entire process. It ensures everything flows smoothly, setting you up for pancake success from the very first step. For truly light and fluffy pancakes, the key is to gently mix your batter, avoiding any overworking. Start by whisking all your dry ingredients together in one bowl, then separately combine all the wet ingredients in another. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring only until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly acceptable and actually help create that tender texture you're looking for. Getting your skillet to the right temperature is absolutely critical for cooking perfect pancakes every single time. Place your non-stick skillet or griddle over a steady medium heat and let it warm up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once hot, lightly grease the pan with a small amount of butter or a neutral oil, then gently wipe away any excess. This ensures an even, thin coating, preventing your pancakes from sticking and promoting beautiful, consistent browning. Now it's time to cook your delicious pancakes. Scoop about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, gently pouring it onto your hot, greased skillet, making sure to leave some space between them. Watch carefully for bubbles to form on the surface and for the edges to start looking set. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, with a quick, confident motion, slide your spatula underneath and flip each pancake, cooking for just another 1 to 2 minutes, until they are beautifully golden brown. Once those beautiful golden pancakes are ready, don't wait. Serve them immediately, fresh off the skillet, to truly savor their warmth and fluffy texture. Stack them high on a plate and let your creativity shine with toppings. A drizzle of pure maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or even a generous dollop of whipped cream makes them extra special. Enjoy this simple, comforting pleasure. Homemade pancakes truly make any morning feel wonderful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.